Hi, I want to talk to you about Prime products. We have two awesome products for your frying and filtering needs. So first one is Henny Prime Filter, and it comes in three different formats. A bulk package, which you can measure out the dosage for your fryer, or a pre-measured packet, or a pad that's impregnated with the Prime Filter powder. The second product, and the Prime Filter powder, actually extends your oil life, and so you have oil life. Oil prices are up, and so this will extend your oil life by 50%. Who doesn't want to extend that oil life by 50% with the prices of the oil? The second product is Prime Filter Cleaner packets, and the last thing anybody wants to do in the restaurant is clean their fryers, and so you can go from this to this with either a boil out or a cold soak with the Prime Cleaner. And here's the big deal: no vinegar rinse is needed. So it's prime time for you to buy Prime products.